Hey everyone, William Miller, National Brands Manager, and I'm really excited to have Pete Natoli of Heartland RV here. Now today, we're going to be going over the 294 BH4 model. This is brand new for 2021. Now Pete, I'm really excited because I know that you're very busy, so just to get your time to talk about everything that you and your team have done for our customers going into next year, can you talk a little bit about, your thoughts on the new Sundance line?
Absolutely. We're excited to be here and show you the new Sundance. We did a complete overhaul of the product from the exterior to the interior. We started with the new graphics, all new graphics packaged from the front to the side graphics and the decals. First and foremost, to address what our customers' needs were for the pass-through storage, we widened the door. We made that a lot bigger so the customer can get their packing gear in and out easily with the magnet catch.
Awesome.
Exterior-wise, we upgraded to a griddle on all the outside kitchens. Less pots and pans, more consistent bacon, eggs, whatever you want to do.
Now Pete, I know with the 294 model, this is what we have here today and we're going to go through that, but as far as with the griddle, now is that going to be standard for all floor plans?
Great question. It is going to be standard for all the floor plans that have an outside kitchen. We'll get that upgraded griddle. You'll get a mini fridge and all the amenities needed for your outside kitchen.
That's great value that you're providing to all the customers. Awesome.
Absolutely.
Pete, immediately as soon as I walk in, I'm really surprised by not only all the space, but immediately, I can see it's been completely transformed. Can you talk about what our team did that's new for 2021?
Absolutely, Willie. With the 294 BH, we were really listening to our customers, what the floor plans they needed, the placement of the television, the fireplace, and all the decor changes that everyone's been really asking for to give that residential feel. From the kitchens with the residential faucets and the undermounted stainless steel sinks, all new backsplashes, residential appliances. We have a trifold sleeper when you have your guests come over and they have a place to sleep. They were mentioning that too much light was coming in the coach, so we added our roller night shades, which is a huge addition for a travel trailer. We redesigned the fireplace completely to be more sleek and have more room to come in and out of the coach. And of course, where all applicable, we added upgraded fireplaces. All of the refrigerators are going to be your residential 10 cube 12 volt reefer to give you more of that home feel. When you go to the dinettes, where applicable, we added the Dream Dinette. So you're having people over, instead of pulling that table in and out, you can just pop it, put down, and make it into a bed for ease of use with your fellow campers if you choose to have visitors.
And the other thing that I noticed too, where a lot of times maybe this gets taken for granted, but you notice as soon as I walked into the coach, there's no carpet.
There is not, and that is a very good point, and I wanted to bring that up. We went to all woven marine style floors, so people that have pets, kids that like to spill things, with this woven floor, there's no more carpet in the coach. So you have the upgraded lino with the all new style and the woven floor. You're spilling anything, just wipe it up and you don't have to worry about stains.
Yeah, I think that brings a lot more value after the purchase for our customers.
Without a doubt. In the all-new Sundance 294 BH, we not only made the changes in the main living area, but we also wanted to do that to address everyone's needs in the bunk room. Back here is our dual modality bunk room for sleeping adults, 2 children. With the 6 and 9 barreled ceilings, it won't matter someone's height. Anyone can get in and out with ease of use. We addressed a dinette back here for whether it be your guests or adults or kids. This will fold down into a bed, and we have this other bunk here that, if you pull a latch, can fold down with the bunk as well. This back wall will have your brackets to mount a TV if you like, and then ample storage all the way down in the coach and all the way down in underneath the bunk. In the bedroom of the 294 Sundance BH, we also addressed all the needs of anyone that decides that they want to take on this camper. The night shades, again, really keeps all the light out for the nighttime when you're trying to sleep. We have true residential 60 by 80 queen beds to fit all the needs of a camper. 110 outlets on both sides, whether it be charging your phone or a CPAP machine. We upgraded the back wall to a shiplap style to give it more texture and a more homey feel. And then you'll have your storage that is all the way from ceiling to this main cabinet here for ample amount of space to put your clothes.
All right, Pete, we're sitting outside the 268RL new floor plan, brand new for 2021. As far as the exterior, what's the one feature that we want to talk about to let all the customers know that we've done with this new floor plan?
Well, not only with the new graphics package and on the front and the sides, but this particular floor plan, we address the needs of the camper to have dual entry. If they are in just the bedroom and they want to get out, or they have campers sleeping in the back of their coach, they can also enter at either the bedroom or the back of the coach.
Awesome. Pete, again, for 2021, absolutely incredible. Can you talk about this new floor plan and all the changes you guys made?
Yeah, absolutely. The Sundance 268 is a rear living to address everyone when they come in this coach and what they need. With the dual entry that we talked about before, as soon as you walk into the coach, you have this awesome trifold sofa for everyone if they want to pull it out to either sit on or sleep. And you can't get over this huge window in the back. Pull up the nightshade that we added to this floor plan, back up to a lake. It's unbelievable view. When you go into the dinette room, this U-shaped mega dinette not only holds 5-6 people, but it'll fold down into a bed. We added a pantry, more storage space in the kitchen. And with your entertainment center, wherever you're sitting, that TV will pull out on a swivel bracket so that everybody has a good viewing opportunity.
And also in this floor plan, again, I don't see any carpet.
There's not, and that's a great point, Willie. With the all-new lino that we put in, we added the woven, so it is marine grade, waterproof, you spill while you're eating, and it's an easy cleanup, no more carpet. In the Sundance new 268 rear living, one of the coolest features is this walk-through bathroom. So you have your dual outside entry. This door has privacy for your guests if you have them out here. You walk through the bathroom, and there's also a door that goes into the bedroom with its own exterior exit. So it's a great feature in the 268 rear living.
So Pete, if you would, obviously this is a beautiful floor plan, brand new. Just let all the viewers know what floor plan is this and what are some of the features that they're going to be excited to see.
Yeah, of course, Willie. This is our all-new Sundance 231 mid-living. It's more of an open concept couples coach, but then you still have the amenities like the couch, the dinette, the big reefer. What's cool about this floor plan is this TV will go up and down on a leveling system. So if you don't want to watch television, you just put it down. And then you have your window. If you do, you put it up. So kind of hide that away when you don't really want to see it. This floor plan will roll right into the kitchen, and we have this panorama view of windows from all the way around the window to the back of the couch and into the bedroom. The big reefer, that's 10 cube 12 volt residential reefer, and then all your residential style appliances, stainless steel sink. So for the length of this trailer, there's packs a lot of punch for a couple's coach.
Wonderful.
In this open concept new floor plan for Sundance, the 231 ML, we're rolling into this spacious bedroom. It has a true queen 60 by 80 residential bed. We added this shiplap to give it more of a farm style, new texture, wonderful reading lights, vaulted ceilings on the interior at 6'9", and what I also wanted to add is every Sundance coach is going to come Wi-Fi prepped. So if you are traveling for work, this is a wonderful couples coach for you.